Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make your own blue cheese dressing. This recipe focuses on achieving a rich, tangy, and perfectly balanced flavor profile that will elevate any salad or dish. We'll start by gathering our core ingredients, ensuring everything is fresh and ready. The key to an exceptional dressing lies in the quality of each component, so choose wisely. This method guarantees a consistently delicious result every time you prepare it. Now let's prepare the star of our dressing, the blue cheese. Take about 4 ounces of your favorite creamy blue cheese and crumble it into a medium-sized bowl. It's important to reserve approximately 1/4 of this crumbled cheese for later, as it will add delightful texture at the end. With a fork, mash the remaining 3/4 of the cheese until it forms a paste-like consistency. This step is crucial for integrating its robust flavor throughout the dressing. Next, we'll build the creamy base of our dressing. To the mashed blue cheese, add 1 full cup of your preferred mayonnaise. Then, incorporate 1/2 cup of sour cream. This adds a wonderful tang and extra creaminess. For a bright, zesty kick, squeeze in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, which provides a subtle umami depth that truly rounds out the flavors. Mix these ingredients thoroughly until well combined. To perfect our blue cheese dressing, it's time for seasoning and the final touches. Add 1/2 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder for aromatic notes. Season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, adjusting to your taste. Now, gently fold in the 1/4 of crumbled blue cheese you reserved earlier. This provides delightful pockets of flavor and texture. Chill the dressing for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld beautifully before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.